Have you ever seen a child crying loudly, falling on the floor, or hitting themselves? And wondered, is it a tantrum or a meltdown? They may look similar, but they are very different. A tantrum usually happens when a child wants something, like a toy, a snack, or attention. It's a form of communication, a way of saying, I want this, and I'm upset I can't have it. In a tantrum, the child still has some control. If you give what they want or distract them, they often calm down. But a meltdown is not a choice. It happens when the brain feels overwhelmed by too much noise, light, touch, or emotion. It's the body's way of saying, I can't handle this anymore. During a meltdown, reasoning doesn't help. The child isn't being stubborn, they are struggling. The best way to help: stay calm. Reduce noise and lights. Give them space and time to recover. Remember, a tantrum seeks attention, but a meltdown needs understanding and support. Let's replace judgment with empathy.